In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on a LinkedIn photo. This simple guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that your profile picture looks just the way you want it to on this professional networking platform. Whether you're updating your LinkedIn for potential job opportunities, or just want to freshen up your profile, this video is for you. We'll start by navigating to the LinkedIn website. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in. You can either sign in with Google or continue with your LinkedIn account. Occasionally, for added security, LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA. This is a standard procedure to protect your information, so don't worry if you see it. After you've successfully logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your current profile photo. Click on that photo. LinkedIn is designed to be user-friendly, and this step takes you directly to the main navigation hub centered around your personal profile. Following that, you will see an option to View Profile. Clicking on this will take you to your LinkedIn profile page, where you can see all your current details, experience, and of course your profile picture in its full glory. The next step involves directly interacting with your profile photo. Go ahead and click on your profile photo once you're on your profile page. This action will bring up a larger view of your picture, giving you a better idea of how it looks to others who visit your profile. In order to adjust your photo, you need to access the editing features. Therefore, the next thing you'll do is click on the Edit button, usually represented by a pencil icon. This opens up LinkedIn's photo editing tool, which includes several options to customize how your profile picture looks. Now, to zoom out on your photo, you're going to look for a bar or slider that controls the zoom functionality. Carefully drag this bar downwards to zoom out. As you adjust the slider, you'll notice your photo changes in real time, allowing you to precisely control how much of your picture is visible. Once you're satisfied with the new look of your profile photo, the final step is to click on Save Photo. This will update your profile picture with the new zoom level you've just set. And that's it. You've successfully zoomed out on your LinkedIn photo. Remember, your profile picture is one of the first things people notice about your LinkedIn, so you want to make sure it's presenting the best version of yourself. Always consider the background of your photo and the message it sends in a professional context. Adjusting your photo is just one of many ways to optimize your LinkedIn profile for professional success. Make sure your photo represents you well and fits within the professional standards expected in your industry. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on enhancing your digital presence.